After a misty start to our walk this morning, we've decided to have a little rest because today we have the day to ourselves. I've got all day off and Marta's not around, so it's me and my trusty sidekick, Mr. Rocco, hanging out for the day. So I've decided to come out in the woods and actually spend a bit more time here. So we've done an hour and a half walk so far, and we've probably got an hour and a half to get back to the van. So I've bought my coffee, I'm going to make a little fire, I've bought my book, I've bought my journal, and I want to just sit in the woods, spend some time just going slow and grounding myself and not rushing. So, time to make a fire. The ground and all the wood is really wet, so I did bring some from home. Ideally I would like to use what's here and not lug around a load of wood. However, it's very damp. I'm glad I did bring some wood because I can't see any of this lighting. So I'm going to unload some of this weight that I've been carrying around for an hour and a half in this not backpacking backpack. And let's see if I can light it with this thing. No. Go with a trusty lighter. It would be very romantic if I could make my coffee over the fire, but my kettle would melt, so I'm not going to do that. I think I need work on my fire making skills. Patience. Oh, it burns. Biophilia, human instinct to connect with nature and other life forms. I've definitely been feeling that in this past year, of wanting to connect and go back to our human primal instincts. Studies have shown time and time again that interacting with nature has so many benefits, physical and mental. Reduces stress, enhances mood and improves cognitive function. The sight of fire has a hypnotic and calming effect on my mind. I just feel like I'm in a trance when I look at it. There's sensory pleasures of looking at the flames, seeing them dancing, looking at the embers, like the red bits kind of like glowing underneath, and then the crackle and pop as well. And when you're calmer, your blood pressure drops and your heart rate drops. Studies have shown that even watching a video of fire, so not actually having a fire in real life, still has similar effects. And all of this, being mindful, being present, it's kind of like a meditation. And obviously there are benefits to being mindful and being in a meditative state as well. You're present, you're focused on something, which is all good for our nervous system, helping with anxiety, depression and stress. And there's more. What fire actually represents and symbolises, like transformation and rebirth. This is a great opportunity for me to write something that I'm trying to let go of, and the whole symbolism of putting it in the fire and seeing it burn, like something that I'm letting go of moving forward, I think can be really powerful. So that's what I'm going to do right now, come up with a few things that I'm going to let go of moving forward. And that's what I'm going to do now, write a few things down that I am ready to say goodbye to. I'm just going to have a little read of my book now whilst the fire goes out, which I don't think is going to take too long. Please let me know in the comments below what you're letting go of at the moment. And if you found this video useful, give this video a watch where I talk about seasonal depression and what you can do to beat it.